What's up, YouTubers? Here with a 2002 Lexus ES 300. Now this probably will work for a variety of Lexuses in that time range. What the purpose of this video is, if your button stops working and you're trying to get gasoline, I know I have the dash disassembled, but if this button stops working and you're trying to get the fuel door open right here, as you can see, you can't get it to open unless that button's working. What you need to do is get into the trunk. Now, I have another video here in case your trunk button's also not working, of how to get into the trunk through an emergency release right back there, but you have to stay tuned. I'll have it linked in the end so you can see how to open it up. And then right over here, I'm going to show you what you're going to be looking for is this cap on your left-hand side. If your fuel filler door is not working, we want to come back to the trunk area, right? Open up the trunk. Like I said, if you can't open the trunk and that button doesn't work either, I have another video. Stay tuned to the end. Right over here on your left-hand side, I know there's a little bit of sun, but right here on your left-hand side, you'll have this piece. What you can do is just press the top. All right. Now I'm going to bring the camera in to show you what I'm looking at and how I'm doing it in order to open your fuel filler door. So you'll come right over here and you'll see this white tab, okay? And watch what I do. Now, it's a little hard to get an angle. I'm going to take my fingers and I'm just going to, as such, pull on that back. You saw that? As I pull back on that, on this tab right here, check it out. My fuel filler door opens up, and this is the emergency way to get to filling up gas in case your button stops working. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one. Like I said, if your trunk button isn't opening and you can't get to your trunk, I have a video at the end. Just stay tuned. Link that will show you how to get it in the emergency access door back there. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.